here's another look. Oh, for sure. That's. Are you kidding me or what? Come on. It's what the league was looking for this year, and I mean.
Yeah, I'd like to believe that that's not unnatural. There aren't any.
Wow. I mean.
Offensively. And Draymond a steal. Draymond in a foot race. Scattered break. Draymond Green had it knocked away.
No, he didn't. He was throwing it off the glass for his teammate. He should have laid it up.
Ow! That ends up being a four-pointer.
Yeah, Draymond was throwing off the glass to his teammate. He had the layup. No one really committed to him. You need those. Those are backbreakers.
10 points off of turnovers against the Clippers. It's down by 7. And now an inbound violation.
Wait. I'm sorry. That's a shot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That might take a did here.
Moving forward the rest of the season.
And then you also have Kuzma, who's out for a week. How do they handle his minutes? Brandon Ingram battling a shoulder injury. Tyson Chandler as well, as the Lakers turn it over there. I mean, LeBron, we saw him do this the other night where he's rolling up the floor and he hoists a three.
The Knicks are going to need one more defensive stop. Clyde, they basically had it set up for free throws and a chance to ice the game. And Bargnani, for reasons only known to him, took the three.
And Tyson Chandler with a rebound. Smith puts up a three. He misses. No. And Brooks is fouled.
Yes.
Oh, with 17 seconds left, and the Knicks in the penalty. Aaron Brooks gets fouled.
That ball, I thought, hit the back of the backboard on that pass, but there's where J.R. Smith, he had a wide open look, but he could have held the ball.
Stone throws it up, taken away by Martell Webster. Martell takes it and slams it, and unfortunately the Timberwolves had a chance to maybe hit the three and tie things up.
I'm not sure what Martell was. He had no idea that Minnesota was 3 down.
Challenge it, but there's no challenges on those plays inside 2 minutes. So.
Oh, he just violated. LeBron James just violated the end line.
You know,
he can't believe it. He's like,
where he's traveled, not really thinking, and watch here. Just not thinking.
What is he doing?
Yes. It happens to everybody.
Oh, he actually dribbled it in bounds.
Team in the NBA.
Offensive foul. Kyle Lowry.
An interesting move. I don't think I've ever seen anybody try to take their body through the guy's legs. You?
That might be the first.
I don't know what that is, but I think the call was correct.
In fact, this whole team likes to drive to the basket. In and out, does not go back in again. Lead pass, Lonzo's got it. What a dish. Oh, he blows the layup.
An absolute gimme. They out. Look at this, and he throws it up. I mean, not even
hit the rim.
Not even close.
And a travel call on Russell Westbrook.
I didn't see that. The backcourt.
Drive it hard. He hit that one. Good grip by the Timberwolves. I didn't like that last possession at all.
Coming up from behind, and the fans alerted him to that, and now a foul is on Buddy Hield. Cousins screaming at Ed Malloy that there should be a technical call.
Got to be losing his mind right now, because that's 2 layups they gave away by playing to the crowd.
You know how you make a bad play and the coach doesn't say anything, he just sits back in his chair and closes his mouth? That's that look right there.
Yeah, he just showed it too. I mean, that is one of the more frustrating feelings, and then Kuzma comes right back and knocks.
And as we start this third quarter,
And whoa, Morris and Anderson had been jawing before the quarter started, and now they're going at it.
It looks more like Morris is going at it.
Yeah. Chris Miller. Okay, so he's looking at the elbow, and now watch him.
I don't know if I should laugh at that. Did that just happen?
I mean, that's
24 seconds off of that.
Still much time remaining. Trier, 3 clutch free throws in a row.
Yeah, but they're going to use their 24. Oh, that's the ball. That was a pass. Watch Gordon throw it into Tucker, and he doesn't know it. He doesn't go for it. Burnley finally comes to his senses.
What was
puts it in.
The ball? But tell me that it's the buzzer of the shot clock, and DJ, look at that ball. DJ grabs it. He's got a 0.7 to score. He thought game over, and Chris is telling him shoot it.